Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable paper trading in ThinkorSwim. Paper trading, called paper money in ThinkorSwim, is a safe way to practice strategies using virtual funds while you learn the platform, test ideas, or refine your execution without risking real capital. In this walkthrough, we'll keep it simple and clear so you can get into the simulated environment quickly and confidently. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim app or navigating to the ThinkorSwim web platform in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so the sign-in screen fully appears. If you're on a desktop app, make sure it's updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once the login form is visible, pause before entering your credentials so you can choose the correct trading mode. Look just below the login fields for the option labeled Paper Money or Paper Money. Depending on your version, it may appear as a small link, a toggle, or a button right under the username and password boxes. If you don't see it at first glance, maximize the window or scroll slightly. It's typically positioned directly under the password field. Selecting this option is what routes your session to the simulated environment instead of live trading. Click the Paper Money option. When it's selected, most versions of ThinkorSwim will show a small indicator or label confirming you're choosing the paper environment. This selection ensures that any trades, orders, or adjustments you make are for practice only and won't affect a real account. Watch lists, chart settings, and layouts can look the same as live trading, which is helpful for building good habits while you practice. Now enter your login details and sign in as you normally would. Keep your credentials secure and complete any verification prompts you're presented with. After signing in, the platform will load in paper money mode. You can confirm you're in the right place by looking for the paper trading label or a reference to paper money somewhere near the account selector. From here, you're ready to explore charts, build watch lists, and place simulated orders to see how your strategies would perform. A couple of quick tips as you begin. Place a small test order to verify that you're in the paper environment before conducting longer practice sessions. If you accidentally end up in live mode, simply sign out, return to the login screen, select paper money beneath the form, and sign in again. And remember, while fills in paper trading are generally realistic, they may not always reflect the exact slippage or liquidity you'd encounter in real markets. So use this environment to learn mechanics and process first. That's it. Open ThinkorSwim, find the paper money option under the login form, click it, and then sign in. You're ready to practice with confidence.